Hello friends, myself Murtaza. I am from Goa. Have come all the way to Chandigarh just because Eurotech is providing basic and advanced welding training program according to AWS norms and certifications. Why do I have to mention this? Because I have an experience in this field for the past 20 years, but I was an apprentice to my father, no formal or professional training. So I get the best basic and advanced knowledge for my welding for my welding field, okay, which is SMAW, GMAW and GTAW in Eurotech. I would highly recommend youth who are aspiring careers in welding fields. You will get the best basic training and practice, which will be helpful to find a job in India as well as abroad, because Eurotech helps finding jobs to all the aspiring welders who are coming over here. So all the best to Eurotech and all the best to skilled welders also. Thank you.